After 2 successful projects and thousands of satisfied backers, our team is back to introduce our newest product, the all-new travel and everyday pants. Meet Mogador, an alpine workhorse design that's built to thrive in any and all weather conditions. We spent the last 5 years working on designing and developing a new category of pants. We wanted a combination of comfy urban style and rugged technical outdoor pants with the highest level of comfort and durability. The Mogador Omega Pant series features a 4-way stretch, 3-layer hydrophobic shell fabric that's sourced from 100% recycled post-industrial waste materials of PET plastic bottles and recycled fishing nets. The quality and craftsmanship of Mogador are unmatched. With its moisture-wicking capabilities, Mogador is breathable and abrasion-resistant. The antimicrobial and UV light-resistant feature will keep you fresher, longer. The fit and comfort are timeless. Mogador comes with a built-in soft inner insulation system that regulates body temperature, double stitching seams all around for durability and longevity, an adjustable and stretchy elastic waist seam design that eliminates pinch points and allows for maximum comfort, built-in gusseted crotch, articulated knees, double-sided reinforced and ventilated mesh pockets, upper and bottom ventilation system, YKK zippers all around, dedicated front pockets for all your valuables, adjustable snap-on durable cuffs, and much more. Our design is inspired by the many trips we took around the world, the adventures we experienced with our loved ones, and the feedback we received from all of you. At Paxture, our legacy is forged in everything we do, not just what we make, but the future we believe in. Because we believe in our products, the Mogador Omega Pant series comes with a lifetime warranty and an at-cost repair program, so you'll always have a reliable partner in our company. So what are you waiting for? Join us today and be part of our community. Thank you.